Hey, how was your day?
Great, I'm so glad you're home. Let's watch something.
Sounds good. Grab the remote.
I've got it right here. What do you want to watch?
This old remote won't pair with my new TV.
Every LED TV has a hidden sync code. With this YU remote, you can access it, bypassing complex programming. We use the set and TV buttons first.
Hold both until the red light stays on.
All right, everyone, type 991 to start the master search.
Press channel up until the TV turns off. This cycles through thousands of codes. The TV turned off. The TV turned off. We found it. Press set to lock the code in. Total control without buying a new remote. Old remote, new TV, problem solved.
Oh, I can't believe it works. Thank you so much.